Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. Today we will be starting chapter 31, that is antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are also called opposite words, okay? Or you can say opposite words, or you can say just opposite, okay? So over here, read this conversation between two friends. These two friends are talking, okay? Rajesh, is that a black box over there? Sony, no, that is a white box. Rajesh, is it heavy? Sony, no, it is light. Rajesh, is it clean? Sony, no, it is dirty. So you can see the highlighted words black, white, heavy, light, clean, dirty. What are these? So these are those antonyms of the other words. So you can see what is the opposite of black? White. What is the opposite of heavy? Light. What is the opposite of clean? Dirty. Okay. So you can see these have the opposites. So the highlighted words given above have opposite meanings. Black is the opposite of white, heavy is the opposite of light, and clean is the opposite of dirty. Such words are called antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. So you see, here is the list given of antonyms that you are supposed to learn. Okay. So above, what's the opposite of above? Below. Afraid, fearless, alike, different, all, none, beautiful, ugly, begin, end, bottom, top, bright, dull, big, small. Then we have dirty, clean, easy, difficult, fair, unfair, fast, slow, first, last, friend, enemy, give, take, happy, sad, here, there, poor, rich, push, pull, right, wrong, rough, smooth, show, hide, silly, clever, simple, complex, sell, buy, yes, no. You see, in these charts, the list given, these are the opposite words, okay? So above's opposite is below, dirty's opposite is clean. So you are supposed to learn this chart, okay? So in the next page also, we have these three lists again given, three columns of, you can see these charts are given, three charts, okay? So again, there are some more opposite words, or you can say more antonyms. Exit, entry, careful, careless, catch, throw, cold, hot, create, destroy, cry, laugh, dark, light, deep, shallow. You see, you can also get that the opposite of entry is exit, opposite of careless is careful, and similar way the whole thing goes on. High, low, in, out, inside, outside, loose, tight, loud, quiet, many, few, near, far, night, day, tidy, untidy, tough, easy, true, false, usual, unusual, weak, strong, wet, dry, win, lose, thin, fat. See, the list is given. From these lists, according to those lists, we have the exercise also. So your homework will be to learn these charts properly so that you can solve the exercise also. Okay, so here we have the first part of the exercise. Write antonyms of these words. So one has been done. Many, few. Give, take. Easy, tough. Simple, complex. Dark, light. Shallow, deep. Strong, weak. Tidy, untidy. Then over here, the second part of the exercise you have to match the words in column A with their antonyms in column B. So over here, exit, what will be the antonym of exit? Entry. So here I am writing it down. Rough, smooth. Ask, reply. Then right, wrong. Then we have alike, different. Then loud, quiet. Okay, so we have done the exercise. We have done the explanation of the chapter, what antonyms are. Antonyms are opposite words with opposite meanings. Okay, so go through the chapter, learn the exercise. Okay, and that was all for today's class. Thank you.